Alright, today's lesson is lesson 93. Number 1, 91 students are divided as equally as possible among 3 classrooms. And I've already made a mistake. We need to divide 91 students into 3 classrooms. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And bring down a 1. There are not any 3's in the number 1, so I write 0. 0 times 3 is 0. And there's a remainder of 1. So I have 30 students in 2 classrooms and 31 in the 3rd classroom, because this remaining student has to go somewhere. How many classrooms have 30 students? There would be 2. Number 1 is 2 classrooms. How many classrooms have 31 students? That would be 1 classroom. On part B, 1 classroom has 31 students. In 1970, it cost 6 cents to mail a letter. How much did it cost to mail 20? 6 cents times 20. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. It would cost $1.20. Number 3. Point A could be what number on this number line? So let's draw that number line in the books so you don't need it. 100. It's between 100 and 200. So you could already eliminate some answers. And it is right here. Point A is right here. And it's not 250 yet. And it's just more than 100. So it is 120. Number 4. George Washington was born in 1732. How old was he when he became the first president of the United States in 1789? 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. These cancel out. You get 0. So he was 57 years old. Number 5. A $1 bill weighs about 1 gram. How much would a $5 bill weigh? This is a trick question. A $1 bill and a $5 bill aren't going to be any different in weight, just in value. So it would also equal 1 gram. We're skipping number 6, going on to number 7, part A. Name that as a fraction. We know there are 10 pieces altogether. How many are shaded? 9. 9/10. Write that as a decimal. Remember to write that just 0.9. 9/10. Number 8, 57 times 87. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39. Do 3 things. 1, 2, 3. 7 times 8 is 56. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. Yep, 56. 6 carry your 5. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5 is 45. Add these together. 9, 15, 9, 4,959 on number 8. Number 9. 1/2 of 32 chess pieces are on the board. How many chess pieces are on the board? So we're going to divide that in half. Divide by 2. There is 1, 2, and 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down this 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. There are 16 chess pieces still on the board. Number 10, 10:30 a.m. She traveled for 7 hours. What time did she arrive? So we add the 7 hours. I'm going to show you a trick. That's 17 hours. Unless we're in the military, we don't say 17:30. So count up from 12. So if you subtract 12 from this, it would be the same thing. That would be 5:30. I don't know why I wrote another 5. 5:30 p.m. Number 11, 42 times 20. Mario traveled 42 miles in an hour. If he kept going 20 hours, that is what we're finding. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 840 miles. Number 12. Violet gave the cashier $40 for a toaster that cost $29.99, but it also had $1.80 in tax. What was her change? 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. This is 11. 3.
Wonder whether or not
my cat's on my keyboard.
So may I ask?
All right, we got $31.79. Now we need to find the amount of change that she got. Subtract. 40 becomes 39. This becomes a 9. This 0 is a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. Decimal. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. So I get 8. All right, guys, we're on number 13 now. Alvin faced the sun as it set in the west, then turned 90 degrees counterclockwise. So whenever you're looking at a clock, the hands turn this way. This is clockwise. So counterclockwise is the opposite. That would be this direction. So if he turned 90 degrees counterclockwise, and headed home, in what direction was he facing after the turn? So this direction, 90 degrees, that would be south on number 13. The answer is south. Number 14, n plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is this equal to 24. So we're going to need to find the value of n by adding all of these and then subtracting from 24. 8 and 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 5 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So 20 out of 24, you have 4 left over, so that means n is equal to 4. 15. So all these zeros that you see in red are just placeholders to make this look better so we don't get our place value out of order. So we're just adding up the parentheses first and then subtracting from 4 and 1200ths. So this would be 5, 2, 6, 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Remember your decimal is 3.925. So here's where I like to add a placeholder. Now we're subtracting. I need to borrow from the 2. 2 becomes a 1. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. I need to borrow again. This becomes 11 minus 2 is 9. Borrow again. The 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Decimal. 3 and 3 cancel each other out. You can put a 0 or not. It does not change the value. 195 thousandths for number 15. Number 16, $18 minus $15.63. 8 becomes 7, 9, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, decimal, 7 minus 5 is 2. $2.37 on number 16. Number 17, $88.75 plus $15.27. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7, 8, 9, 10. Decimal. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. $104.02 on number 17. 18. 2 cubed times the square root of 25. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times, what times what is 25? 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 5 is 40 on number 18. Number 19. Let the 0 hang over the edge. Just put it in your answer. 3 times 0 is 0. 9 times 3 is 27. So you have 2,700 on number 19. 20. $7.50 times 8. 0. 5 times 8 again. 40. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 4 is 60. Remember, 2 decimal places and your dollar sign. So this is exactly $60. 21. More 2 by 2 multiplication practice. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Do 3 things. 1, 2, 3. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 5 is 29. Now we add 8. 9 plus 4 is 13. 10. 3,038 on number 21. 22. 4 times 3, 12. Carry your 1. 3 times 5, 15. Plus 1 is 16. Now we do 3 things. Mark out what you carried, mark out what you multiplied, add a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. Add 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. 2. Your answer is 1,242 on number 22. 23. Put your 0 in your answer. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. 2,960. 24. How many 4s are in 6? 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Put your decimal in your answer. Bring down your 3. How many 4s are in 23? 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. Bring down your 6. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. There is no remainder. $1.59 is your answer to number 24. Number 25. 800 divided by 5. 1 5 in the number 8. 1 times 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down a 0. How many 5s are in 30? 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. Bring down your 0. There are 0 5s in 0. 0 times 5 is 0, and there is no remainder. 25 is 160. 26. 8 will not go into 4, but it will go into 47, and that'll be 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. 47 minus 40 is 7. Bring down a 3. 8 times 9 is 72. 73 minus 72 is 1, so we have a remainder of 1 this time. 59 remainder 1 on number 26. 27. 1,800 divided by 3. You cannot fit 3 cars in a 1-car garage, so we go to 18. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. How many 3s are in 0? 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Bring down your 0. Again. The answer to number 27 is 600. 28. 1,520 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 15? 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Bring down a 2. How many 5s are in 2? 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down the next digit, 0. How many 5s are in 20? 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Number 28 is 304. Number 30, part A. What's the perimeter of a 50 by 20 foot rectangle? So we're adding up all the sides. So 2 20s plus 2 50s so 50 plus 50 would be 100, 120, 140. 140 feet. Remember, we do not write square feet unless it's area, which is the next question. You find area by multiplying the length times the width. So let the 0 hang over, put 0 in your answer. 2 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 1,000 square feet on number 30B. That's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow.